Well, since I just got the Pixel tablet in, I gotta do a gaming test with it, and I'm gonna be playing some Gears of War 4, which is currently available on Xbox Cloud Gaming, and the game is awesome. Now, the one thing I gotta point out here is that when you are using cloud gaming, you can see that it's not getting the full screen, but even without that, I'm curious to just see how this game plays on the Pixel tablet. Of course, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to learn more about this tablet, we'll have some links below in the description. You can also get on our tech newsletter. We send out one email a week below as well. For now, let's run it.
Move it, Gears! We're only going to get one shot to extract those plans. Once we take down the comm towers, this entire base is cut off.
Yes, sir.
You got Indies! Up top! Take them out! Nice shot! Tower's just ahead. Come on, the Major's waiting. Getting the post. Getting the post. More Indies. One less Indy to worry about. Bonfire.
Roger that, Green One. And sweet hell, these are dumb code names.
Okay, plan a charge on that tower.
Charge planted.
Leader, our match is lit.
Roger that. We're lighting our bonfire in 3, 2, 1.
Of course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about Ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.
Also, I'm shit canning our codename, Santiago. See you at the lab.
Yes, sir. The lab's just beyond that security gate. Push up. Machine gun nest. We're splitting up. You two take left. With that, this raid is officially underway. Let's go. All right, you know the drill. Eliminate the guards, get inside the lab, grab the plans. Then we ghost.
So what does this hammer of dawn thing do?
It wins the war. And if we do our job right, every system here is wiped. And the indie scientists get an offer they can't refuse. All right, we're in. Let's go.
I think so. Moving so.
Lab's up ahead. Take them out.
Up ahead now.
You see that?
What's dead to me?
All right, we're in. Time to rendezvous with the Major. Come on. Major.
I have eyes, Private. Now, let's get those plans. Step aside, Private. Looks like these indie scientists.
Andy, left side!
Hold him back.
Use the turret!
Стоем, Икно. Getting the Polsky. Getting the Polsky. Pull. Nick.
They're coming in on the right side!
Hold your position. Get on the turret. Use the goddamn turret. What's that enough for me? Andy's on the left. Get on the turret now.
Away from the lab!
Who's that?
Gears, hammer plans are in hand. We're coming back topside.